In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of creating Azure Synapse Workspace. Whether you're data engineer, analyst, or just starting with Synapse, this tutorial will help you easily get up and running. Hello everyone, it's Mariusz here with Cloud Data Labs. By the end of this video, you will have fully functional Synapse Workspace so you can build orchestration pipelines and more. If you find value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials like this. Now let's get started. Here we are in Azure Portal. To create Synapse Workspace, we'll click on Create a Resource. In the search bar, type in Synapse and hit Enter. Here we will select Azure Synapse Analytics from the list and hit Create. Once we are on the Azure Synapse Analytics resource creation page, we need to select the subscription. I have only one, so it was pre-selected already. Now let's create new resource group. We provide a name. And hit OK. For the Manage resource group, we will use the same name, but add -manage at the end. Now we need to provide name for our workspace. This must be globally unique, and it looks like the value we've chosen already exists. To fix this, let's add some random numbers at the end. Next, we select the region. For me, this is UK South, as this is the closest data center to me. Then we need to provide details for our data lake. As we're creating new resource group for our Synapse Workspace, we'll need to create new data lake storage account. So let's click Create New and provide a name. Next, we need to provide a name for the new file system. Here, we assign myself the storage blob data contributor role on the Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account as enabled, as this will allow access to the file system to explore, read, create, and delete files. Now that all the basic settings are done, we can proceed to the Security tab by clicking Next. Here we need to provide the SQL admin user password and confirm it. These credentials can be used to authenticate to serverless SQL pool. Once we entered them, we click Next. In the Networking tab, there are few settings worth mentioning, although we won't be changing them. For example, Manage Virtual Network should be enabled for better security if you're provisioning Synapse Workspace for production use. Similarly, allow connections from all IP addresses should not be enabled, as you want to only allow connections from authorized IP addresses. As this is a demo workspace, we can leave these settings as default. Now we click Review plus Create to proceed to Review plus Create page. Here we review our settings and terms and conditions. Once we're happy with it all, we can click Create. Once the deployment is in progress, we need to wait for a couple of minutes for all the resources to be provisioned. Now that our deployment is complete, we'll go to our resource group and find our Synapse Workspace and ADLS storage account. Now we can click on our Synapse Workspace and open Synapse Studio. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now we can start using Azure Synapse Workspace to create data pipelines, develop data warehousing solutions, and more. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.